the club-winged manakin. But in the dense undergrowth, his bright feathers can be hard to spot. So he's come up with a nifty way of getting the attention of any female nearby. Instead of singing, he uses his wings as a musical instrument. It's known as stridulation, and manakins are the only birds that do it. By slowing their sound down, we can show the secret to his performance. The feathers slide over each other, like a bow playing the strings of a violin. But unfortunately for this youngster, he isn't the only one performing today. Up to 10 different males have gathered in this patch of forest. Our male needs to put on a virtuoso performance. With a female nearby, now's his time to shine. But when he plays off-key, there are no second chances. Practice makes perfect. In time, he'll become a musical maestro.